What's going on, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Friday Fabric Finds for the week of July 18th, 2025. My name is Justin. I'm a photographer and product adder.
And I'm Mason, the inventory specialist.
And this is a series where we go through the newsletter that gets released every Friday, go out into our studio and show you guys that fabric in person. So without further ado, let us begin.
First thing we're going to talk about is a fat quarter bundle we have on sale. This is the Victorian Garden Batiks from Riley Blake fat quarter bundle. This is regularly priced at $46.80, but we have it on sale for you at $26.96. So make sure to take a victory lap when you save on the Victorian Garden Batiks Bundle.
We know y'all like your gnomes, so we have a Christmas gnome collection from Wilmington. This is called Merry Gnome-ments. This is featuring the boardwalk quilt kits, the tote bag kits, 24-inch panels, and the full collection of yardage in patterns such as gnomes, stockings, gifts, mushrooms, garlands, snow, and stripes in colors of red, green, white, gray, and black. So make a gnome-made Christmas project with Merry Gnome-ments from Wilmington.
Next collection we're going to talk about is one from Blank. This is the Spread the Word collection. This is featuring the bundles and bows quilt kits and also the full collection of yardage. The patterns for this collection are newspapers, snippets, shapes, letters, and numbers. And there's a ton of colors going on, so prepare for this. Red, blue, green, pink, yellow, parchment, black, and white. So very colorful collection, very cool collection. So make any quilt look more complex with Spread the Word from Blank.
All right, next we have another Christmas collection. And by the way, it is not the last Christmas collection. This is Christmas Eve from Timeless Treasures. This is featuring patterns, 36-inch panels, and the assorted yardage in patterns of Santa sleighs, snowmen, cardinals, trees, Christmas lights, and snow in colors of red, blue, green, yellow, orange, and white. So make sure to get into the holiday spirit with Christmas Eve.
Like Justin just said, we have another Christmas collection. This is Vintage Christmas from Northcott. This is featuring a kids canvas apron panels, stocking panels, an advent calendar panel, the pillowcase kits, and the full collection of yardage in patterns of Santa, presents, candy stripes, and poinsettias in colors of red, green, and white. So make sure to jingle all the way with Vintage Christmas from Northcott.
All right, next we have the Crazy Stars Table Runner Kit with Freedom Garden from Riley Blake. This is a Fort Worth Fabric Studio exclusive. This is priced at $33.96 each. It is featuring red, white, and blue prints from the Freedom Garden collection. This is festive, fun, and it's beginner friendly. So make sure to add a pop of patriotic charm with the Crazy Stars Table Runner Kits.
Next thing we're going to talk about is a fat quarter bundle that we have on sale. This is the Lori Holt Dapper Fat Quarter Bundle. This is 32 fat quarters to be exact. This is regularly priced at $79.96, but we have it on sale at $52.96. So it's a very, very good collection. Can go with a lot of different things. Tons of basics going on in this. So make sure to save in style with the Dapper Fat Quarter Bundles from Riley Blake.
Next, we got ourselves a pre-order. This is the Evening Star Boxed Quilt Kits. This is featuring Evening on the Prairie from Riley Blake. These kits are scheduled to ship in October and November, and they are priced at $78.96 each. So make sure to fall in love with these Evening Star boxed kits before they are gone.
Next, we're going to talk about the 1 yard cuts. We talk about these every single week, but we want to continue mentioning them because they go like hotcakes, as we always say. So these are 1 yard pieces of different types of fabrics, different patterns, different collections, different manufacturers that we have cut up for y'all to easily get. And by the way, these are priced at $9.96, so it's a very, very good deal, as most fabrics by the yard are about $13.96 a yard. If you buy multiples of these, say you buy 3 of the same type, it's going to be 3 individual 1 yard pieces, not a 3 yard piece. But again, there's always new ones going up, well, pretty much every single day. And like I said, they can fit pretty much any type of project. There's not just one certain type. There's thousands of different types of patterns and whatnot that we have going on there. So make sure to check daily because we update it daily and see what kind of deals you can find.
Next, we have our comment of the week. This is where we pull a comment from last week to read on this week. And this week we have a comment from Quilt Meets World, who said, "The 1 yard cuts are folded so perfectly, just like everything packaged up for sending. You should do a video of how you fold everything." And you know what? I really, really like that idea. That's totally something we might end up exploring, is showing a video of how we fold everything. And this is a question I have for you guys, is there anything specific you want to see us fold up? So for example, do you want to see us fold up any panels? Do you want to see us fold up any wide backings? please let us know in the comments. And also the part where you said, just like everything packaged up for sending, we have a social media reel series where we show on video us packaging up orders from you guys, the customers. So make sure to check that out if you're interested in seeing us how we package up everything. But otherwise, I love your idea, and that's totally something we might explore. And make sure to leave down below if there's anything specific you want to see us fold. And also, if you want your comment to be featured on Comment of the Week next week, make sure to leave a comment down below and you might be picked.
And as always, thank you for watching. We appreciate it so much. If you enjoyed this video or any other videos, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and maybe even ring that bell so you're notified every single time we upload. Make sure to also leave a comment, like Justin was saying. Maybe you'll be featured in next week's Comment of the Week. And also follow us on all of our social medias. The links for those will be down in the description. But without further ado, we will see y'all next week. See ya.